And I'm back again with a new video. So yes, today I'm mainly going to focus on the international football because the international break is here. So that means that we're putting a pause to club football. So starting off with our very own national team, which is the South African national team, Banyana and Bafana. So Banyana is playing today. They are playing against the eSwatini. That game will kick off at 3:30 on the dot. And you can catch that game at SABC Sport, obviously, if you can make it to Dobsonville Stadium. So for me to repeat it for you, Banyana is playing today against the Eswatini. That game will kick off at 3:30. And if you can get to a Dobsonville Stadium for the game, you can always catch it at SABC Sport. So yes, that's all about the Banyana today. Then moving on to Bafana. Bafana is also set to take on the very same opponent, which is the Eswatini. But the difference is that they are taking on Eswatini on Friday and they are playing at FNB Stadium. Their game will kick off at 6, and if you want to grab a ticket and go and watch Bafana live, you can get that ticket for only 40 rands. So yes, looking at Bafana, we've also noted the fact that Pesitao is withdrawn from the squad. So Pesitao withdrawn from the squad, that means that he leaves a vacant position. So Hugo Broos thought and was like, no man, let's get Mdantsane. So Mdantsane has been called up to the national team to go and replace Pesitao. So knowing that Pesitao over the past few games he's been red hot for Al Ali, so that means pressure for Mdantsane, but I just hope that he gets to handle that pretty well. So on his last game, Pesitao grabbed a brace and also walked away with the man of the match accolade, which is something that is very beautiful. So yes, with Mdantsane being called up to the national team, let's just hope that he can take it on and get to deliver beautiful performances that will make Bafana to not really feel that Pesitao is not there, because you know that Pesitao is an integral part of the Bafana team. So yes, to also congratulate Castillo, who is a midfielder for Kaizer Chiefs. He's the only player that has been called up to the South American national team, so like on a national team that is in South America, which is the Venezuela. So he's been called up to replace a teammate of Olutumakanya at Philadelphia Union. I'm very sorry for not mentioning the player or the name of the player because I forgot it. So yes, that player was substituted on the 12th minute of the game and he had to withdraw from the squad. Then due to him withdrawing, Castillo has been called up. So he departs today to his homeland. So we just wish all the best for him, and he's set to face Brazil in this international break. Just hope that he gets game time for his country and he plays the best football as we know him. Reginald Glover says it all the time. Castillo my stiletto. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate your time. Thank you.